Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily make profile picture private on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to right top corner to your menu and then click on your profile, and right here go to three dots here and edit profile. Click profile picture, edit, deny, and what you want to do is this: just simply click on a photo and view profile picture and go to right top corner to the three dots, and then you're going to see here edit privacy. Right here you have all the options to go public, friends expect, only me, or you can go see more and specific friends, so like only specific people are going to see it. So that's pretty much it how you do it. Again, right click on it, and yeah, if you have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.